Hello students, welcome back. In today's video, we will be solving a very interesting question from Green's theorem. Okay, the question here is applying Green's theorem, evaluate integral for the region C, y minus sin x dx plus cos x dy, where C is the plane triangle enclosed by the lines y is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to 2x. So this question has been discussed in the textbook Engineering Mathematics with Reval, a very standard question and a very interesting question. And also I received a lot of comments from students to solve these questions, because this question has been also discussed in the model question paper of 1 BMAT E201 of the VTU, that is Electrical and Electronics 25 scheme. Okay, so let's solve this question here now. So before that, first let's write the Green's theorem. So the Green's theorem is given as, we have the Green's theorem. So first let's write the Green's theorem. So Green's theorem, so please memorize this, okay? Correctly memorize it, okay? Please pay attention to what I say. Please lend a ears to me, okay? So if you lend a ears to me now repeatedly, so there is no need to memorize this. It will get fitted here. Fine. Now the Green's theorem says integration of m dx plus n dy equals double integration over the region dou n over dou x, remember this sequence, minus dou m by dou y into dx into dy. A very beautiful theorem, Green's theorem. So let me underline this for you in green. So this is the Green's theorem. You need to memorize this correctly. Don't miss anything here. Again I repeat, Green's theorem, lend a yes, Green's theorem, green. Integral of m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral of the region dou n by dou x minus dou n by dou y into dx dy. Dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. Remember it. First dou n by dou x minus dou n by dou y. That's exact integral. Okay. Exact equation, sir. Now, to understand this question, let's understand it graphically here. So this is a Green's theorem again. Now if you see here carefully, the plane triangle enclosed by, so I will first write the equation here. The equation here is y minus sin x into dx plus cos x dy. So if you check through this m dx plus n dy, here m is equal to what? Y minus sin x and n is equal to cos x. Just check the equation m dx plus n dy. See, y minus sin x is basically relation of exact differential equation. Okay, m dx plus n dy. So m is y minus sin x, n is cos x. What represents here? M and n. Fine. Now we have m and n. Now what we'll do? See here in the question they given, one is y is equal to 2x by pi. This is the equation of the line y is equal to 2x by pi, because y is equal to x is the equation of line passing through the region. So this is line y is equal to x by pi. Then this is the equation for x is equal to pi by 2. This is for x equals to pi by 2. Okay, so I'll write all the points here now. So this is origin 0, 0, pi by 2 now. So this will be obviously pi by 2, 0, this point, and this point of intersection will be what? So we need to find a point of intersection here. How? See, it's simple. I can do here only. We have equation y is equal to 2x. So that's why I'm telling you, please go refer the videos on double integral and change of order. So you'll understand how to solve the equations. So one is y is equal to 2x by pi, other is x is equal to pi by 2. So what I simply do, put x value here. That implies y, you need to just play with the two equations. Okay, 2 by pi inverse x, pi by 2. Cancels, it is 1. So the point of intersection is what? Pi by 2, 1. This is what? Point of intersection, pi by 2, 1. Okay, so this point pi by 2, 1. Clear? Okay, and this is one more is line y is equal to 0. No, this is the line y equals 0. That's all. So we have the graphical representation here. That means the region is this one between all these things. So this region we have to find. Okay, by Green's theorem. Now let's apply the Green's theorem here. So we will see in right side is most easiest. Why? Because see, we have done lot of problems on double integral, change of order. So always this right side of double integral, it becomes very easy for it to solve. Okay, rather than left side is single line integral, but right side is very easy because we have the graph with us. So therefore we can write RHS equals to double integration of what? Dou n by dou x minus dou m over dou y into, see, watch this carefully now how I do it. This equals to, now see, double integration of, so we'll evaluate this. What is dou n by dou x? N is cos x. We have n as cos x and m as y minus sin x. Okay, dou n by dou x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. That's it. Minus sin x and minus dou m over dou y. M is y minus sin x, means we are partially differentiating with respect to only y. Sin x is 0, so differentiation y is 1, so minus 1 into. Now we need to take the limits. Okay, dx into dy will take. We'll see what we take first. So see, since the question, we have done lot of questions on change of order, solving double integration, so on. We have seen how to assign the limits of integration. Okay, between the areas. Now here also same thing, since they are not given any change of order here, so it's very simple. We take along the x-axis. So this is the x-axis. This is the x-axis and this is what? The y-axis. We take along the x-axis. That means very simple. So we need to find area within this region. Also I can, if I want, I can mark the point here. This point will be dropped as 0, 1. Okay, fine. So we find the area within this region now. Now see, we will go along the x-axis. That means we will go, x is a constant inside equation of y in terms of x. So when I go like this, obviously this will be x is equal to, this will be y is equal to, so this will be what? Dy dx. Be careful here. Okay, now when I go along the x-axis, simply I have to mark the point. See, double integration is what? Outside is constant, inside is equation in terms of y. Simple. Outside is constant, a, b, c, 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. Inside is equation in terms of y in terms of x. That means outside we will find a size here, where to where. Since I am telling I am going from x 0 to x axis, that means I go from where to where. See here, simple. I go from 0, x axis with this x, 0 to where? Pivot. So 0 to x is equal to pi by 2, and obviously y is equal to 0 to where I go. See, this is region I am finding, I am moving along here at this region to this region. What is inside? Okay, what is inside this region we have to cover? This region we have to solve according to Green's theorem. So 0 to where? Y is equal to, simple, y is equal to 2x by pi. That's all. So now we need to integrate this and get the solution. So let's integrate this now. So our 60 to 70% work is done. Now only integrate and get the solution, get a full marks. Okay, that implies this is equal to integration of. So first what we'll do, we will integrate with respect to what? Inside y. See here, dy y. So we'll integrate with respect to first y. So we'll do that. This integral sign goes. For the outside limit, x is equal to 0 to x is pi by 2, and inside when you integrate respect to y, see, integration of 1 dy is y. Be careful. Integration of 1 dx is x, integration of 1 dy is y. Here you integrate respect to what? Y. So minus sin x as it is into y. Minus integration of 1 is 1 dy is y itself. And the limits are 0 to 2x by pi. What remains? Into dx. Okay. So now in place of y, put a top limit minus bottom limit is 0. So we do that now. This will be now again theta is equal to 0 to theta equals pi by 2 minus sin x into what is y? 2x by pi, right here. 2x over pi minus 2x over pi minus obviously sin 0 0 and y is 0. In place of y putting 0, everything becomes 0, whole into dx. Done. Now what I do, see, 2 by pi is common. So whatever is common, take it outside. So what I will do, simply I will take minus 2 by pi common. Why? Let's take minus sign also outside. It will be easier for us to solve. So theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. When I take minus outside, this will become x sin x minus x into dx. Then, so let me separate this integral, because x sin x, no, x into sin x, algebraic trigonometry, I can solve it using integration of parts or Bernoulli's theorem. So, what is the Bernoulli's theorem? So, Bernoulli's theorem is very simple, nothing but integration of first into second function is first as it is, integrate second minus differentiate first, double integrate second plus double differentiate first, triple integrate second, and so on. That is the Bernoulli's theorem. So, we can use that because x into sin x. No? So, what I will do, I will separate it. To make things more easier, I will write like this is equal to minus 2 by pi, because I want you to understand this correctly. Okay, 0 to theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 x sin x. Fine. Oh, sorry, this is plus, right? My bad. This is plus. Okay, because you taken minus outside, this is plus. And again, minus 2 by pi into dx. Forgot x sin x into dx. Minus again 2 by pi, and simply separating it. Theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 x dx. And now this becomes easy. So, this will be now minus 2 by pi outside, integrate this. So, I told you first into second function, because see LIAT, algebra, or I like what inverse logarithmic algebra, trigonometric exponential. So, algebra comes first and trigonometric. See x as it is, integration of sin x is minus cos x minus, correct, first function as it is, integration second is minus cos x minus, diffusion of first is x is 1, again integration of cos x is nothing but minus sin x. So, minus into minus become plus sin x, and limit from 0 to pi by 2. Am I right? Again check it. See, x into sin x, very simple integration. X is first, sin x is second. Sorry, this is first and second. Okay, this is first, this is second. Sin x as it is, x as it is, integration of sin x is what? Minus cos x. Don't confuse here, integration of sin is minus cos, because differentiation of sin is cos and differentiation of cos is minus sin. That means opposite, integration of sin will be minus cos. Okay, x as it is, integration of sin is minus cos x minus diffusion of x is 1. Again minus as it is, integration of minus will be there, minus and minus, this become plus. Again integration of cos x is only sin x. So, minus into minus become plus. Again minus 2 by pi into minus 2 by pi into this simple integration x is nothing but x square over 2 and 0 to pi by 2. So, this will be now, if you put a limit here, see minus 2 by pi, and this will be obviously cos pi by 2 is 0, everything, because minus cos again x into 0, sin 0 is 0. So, only so bottom term limit, only top term in place of x to pi by 2 cos 0 plus sin pi by 2 is 1. So, into 1, only 1, minus this will be 2 by pi into 2 cancels. See, this 2 cancels here, and in place of x put pi square by pi also. So, pi square by 4. So, this will be pi square over 4. Are you getting it clearly? Write it once again here. See here, equals to, see, minus 2 by pi as it is, in place of x put pi by 2. So, pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2 is 1 into 1 minus 0, 0 into something 0, sin 0 is 0 only. Okay, sin pi by 2 is 1, fine. Minus again 2 cancels. See, 1 by pi into what's in place of x put pi by 2. So, pi square by 4, pi square over 4. So, this will be pi again cancels, minus 2 by pi minus pi by 4. That is the solution. So, this can be written as, take minus outside, 2 by pi plus pi by 4 if you want it. That is it. So, that is the solution for the given question. I will underline it. So, by Green's theorem, the solution for the given integral y minus sin dx plus cos y dy is minus 2 by pi plus minus bracket 2 by pi plus pi by 4. That is all the solution is. you need to practice this a lot to understand the concept better. Okay, so see, the same type of problem might, maybe or may not repeat in the examination. It depends, because as I always keep on telling you, VTU exam papers are a little easy, they won't be that difficult. But anyway, please do practice it to understand the concept correctly and to boost your brains. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Keep updated yourself by following my YouTube channel, Facebook page and Instagram page. I'll be posting more important model based question paper and also the entire solution to model paper of the 1 BMAT E201 scheme in a couple of days. So please stay updated, and please also stay updated on I might be posting some important questions on my channel, Facebook and Instagram account. So please stay updated. Till then, smart study, study harder, study wiser, and keep doing the hard work. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.